Hello
Hi.
and welcome to a new video of Team Rides. Today we're gonna ride Mystique, a voodoo themed
Brujería.
coaster. Yes, indeed. This coaster is built by Gerstlauer and opened in 2019. This coaster opened because of Walibi was 40 years old. Walibi Rhône-Alpes, of course, not other Walibis. So yeah, we are very excited to do this roller coaster here. So yeah, we're gonna take you on a POV and we're gonna explain or tell you what we think about it. So, see you soon!
Siente como si me estoy cayendo.
Let's go!
Bye! ¡Qué divertido! ¿No?
Yeah.
¿Otra vez? Otra vez. Pero primero hacemos todo. Pero no hay nadie. ¿Podemos ir otra vez, Sandra? Ahora sí hay.
And we had a ride on Mystique. Actually, not one ride, we had several rides on Mystique. Yeah, we did in front and in the back. So yeah, what do you think about this coaster?
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah?
It's a little bit short.
It's a little bit short, yes. Yeah.
But I like more in the back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost is more.
I like it also in the back, but in the back it had a little rattle. Yeah, it was a little rattle.
A
little bit more rattle.
Poquito.
But in the back it's a little bit more strong. Yeah, you feel more force. Yeah. No, but I like the inversions. I like the special elements and so in this coaster. So yeah, I really enjoy this coaster. So yeah.
The team like it.
Yeah, I like the
It's a
theming.
terror,
It's something. It's something different than all the other parks. I don't see a lot in Europe about this theming, so I like
Yeah,
that.
that is what.
Yeah,
Ah.
so I really like the theming of this one, and the music is so mysterious and all these things. So yeah, I really like this coaster. Did you already do this coaster? Just put your comments below what you think about this coaster.
The commentary.
Yeah, put a commentary. We like to read it. So yeah.
And don't forget, put a like, eh?
Yeah, put a like, and if you like this video, of course, subscribe, because we need you more than ever. See you for the next video. Bye bye.